So like pretty much I'm just taking apart all the screws. You see 2 screws right here. What else? Cob access port wire. Probably grab that right now. Oh, these spot. How the fuck does this come out? I'm just gonna go put this back with my cob access port in the garage, and then I'll come back and continue at it. Oh fuck. Okay, so I got the HVAC controls and everything out. Put it to the side. And I got all these fucking screws here to take off, so. Okay, so I was kind of stuck and I checked some forums because I wasn't able to get this thing out because I was taking out all the screws and stuff, but I found out that you need to take out there's like some kind of 10mm bolt somewhere. Yeah, that one right there. There's one right there and the other side, I think. Maybe it's just this one. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'll take that one out and then this bottom thing should just come off. I took off like 2 screws from the behind. Like you gotta go with a stubby and go from inside and take off those 2 fucking bolts down there somewhere. It's the under part of the dash. Okay, well, you got a screw right there. And this screw up there that I never took off, so. I ended up fucking snapping one part of the plastic, but the part I snapped was up here. I'm pretty sure it's a clip or just a part that holds some wires or whatever. That's that. I think I'm done for the day because it's getting kind of cold and I'm hungry. I'm gonna put all these pieces inside and yeah.